Hi, in this video, we will look at the following main character. When I was little, my mother used to tell me to eat a lot of carrots because they were good for your eyes. I didn't really believe her, so I did my own research. It turns out my mother was right. In one study, all of the rabbits that ate carrots never wore glasses. This is the ancient version of the main character we are looking at today. It depicts the eye and its pupil. This is how the character looks today. Can you see the similarities with the ancient character? This character means eye. It is used in these words, 节目, which means program, like in a TV or radio, and 目前, which means at the present moment. Now that you know the main character, let's look at some other characters. Do you see the main character? The character above it means hand. When you want to see something better or see something far away, you put your hand over your eyes. This character means see. It is used in these words, 好看, which means good looking, and 难看, which means ugly. It is used in this phrase. Can you find the character for see? This means watch TV. Let's see another character. This character looks similar to the one before, but this time the character above the eye means sheep. Sheep are known to have terrible eyesight, so they need to stick close together and rely on their sense of touch so that they don't get lost. This character means touch. It is used in this word, 着急, which means to feel anxious. This character is also used as a postposition to show that something is in progress, like adding ing to a verb in English. Like in this phrase. Can you find the character? This phrase means he is putting on his clothes. Let's see the next one. The character on the left means tree. When you look at a forest of trees, all the trees look like each other. This character means each other and appearance. It is used in these words, 相同, which means identical, and 相信, which means to trust. Let's look at one more. Now from here, if you add a character for heart, you get a character that means think. If you think of someone or something that you love in your heart, it almost appears in front of your eyes. It is used in this word, 思想, which means thought or idea. These are the characters we looked at today. How many could you recognize? Hit like if you learned some new Chinese characters and subscribe to stay in the loop. That's it for this video. Have a good day or good night, and I hope you enjoyed learning some Chinese characters. See you in the next one. It is used in these words, 好看, 好看, like how come you look so good?